Welcome to the Keller ITS online service. In this video, we introduce our field of view calculator and show you how to use it. This will help you for supporting or selecting the most suitable instruments for your application. The field of view calculator is available on the Keller ITS homepage or in the Keller ITS app. The calculator helps you to select the right optics for your measuring task. It shows the exact size of the measuring field as a function of the measuring distance. The results also allow you to avoid unacceptable constrictions of the cone of view when measuring through openings in advance. To access the tool, for example via our homepage, click on the button Tools. Then select the desired tool, the field of view calculator, with one click. Once you have started the calculator, you will have access to over 400 different pyrometers from Keller. Then just select the correct model you want to use for the calculation from the list. Here we take as an example a PA20 AF1. For this model, you will now see the cone of view as well as the measurement spot size for the selected focus distance. To get these data for your existing or planned installation, you can of course enter your individual measuring distance and get the desired result. Another possibility is to extend the length of the graph but keep the focus distance. In case of measuring into a furnace or through a hole, this can be useful to determine the spot size at the measuring object. In the table below, you will also receive, in gradations, the data for the cone of view up to the point of focus and beyond. Some focusable pyrometer models allow you to select an additional lens for a much smaller measuring spot. The measuring field calculator can also be used to display the measuring fields of the pyrometers with rectangular measuring spots. Hereby, you can easily determine which model is best suited for your pouring stream or wire diameter, even under variations. You are welcome to check and use our other helpful tools like the emissivity calculator or the mounting selection guide as well. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great success. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Your Keller ITS Salesforce.